ActNow presents Step by Step to the Business Plan. This is Noor. She has always dreamed of opening her own vegetarian restaurant. Before Noor starts, she first wants to get clarity on her business idea and find out if everything can work the way she envisions. In addition, Noor needs financial support for her business as the furnishings and equipment are very expensive. In order to get money from the job center or a loan from the bank, she has to show that her idea is financially worthwhile. That is why Noor decides to write a business plan. This consists of a written part and a financial part. It is important that both parts fit together and that the idea is presented as convincingly as possible. This can determine whether Noor receives the money or not. The written part has several chapters. First, Noor explains why she wants to start her own business and what skills and experience she has to run the restaurant successfully. Then in the second chapter, she describes her business idea. What is special about the idea and why do people prefer to eat at her restaurant and not at her competitors? Here she also explains which customer group she would prefer to target. After that, it's about the industry she wants to operate in. She researches what other vegetarian restaurants are in her area and exactly what they offer. She also thinks about location, the place where she wants to open her restaurant. She considers, where do my customers live and work? Is my restaurant easily accessible? Next, the topic of marketing. Here, Noor describes how her offer should reach her target group. She also considers what prices her customers can and want to pay and how she could advertise. The following chapter is particularly tricky. It's about the legal form for her restaurant and how she structures it. Noor decides to register a sole proprietorship and hire a service person. Now comes the planning calculation, that is, the financial part. Noor calculates if her revenues are higher than her expenses. This is important to make her business profitable and so that it can be expanded. Noor also calculates how much money she needs to get started and whether she can pay her business bills, for example, to her suppliers for the first few months. Do you need support on your way to self-employment in Germany? Then use our business plan workshops to prepare yourself optimally for self-employment.